Color is not just a visual attribute, it has measurable effects on cognition, emotion, behavior, and even physiology. This article explores how humans perceive and respond to different hues, how those responses are shaped by biological, cultural, and contextual factors. Drawing on empirical studies, it identifies key mechanisms, outlines outstanding questions, and suggests directions for research. Every day we are surrounded by color. In the clothes we wear, the walls around us, the screens we view, and the objects we interact with. Most people intuitively sense that color influences mood, that red room feels energetic, that blue space is calming. The article on Untangle Mystery titled, How Colors Influence Our Thoughts and Feelings, highlights these everyday truths and invites deeper scientific inquiry. In this article we ask, how do colors affect the human mind and body? Why do we associate particular emotions or thoughts with certain colors? What are the mechanisms, moderators, and applications? And finally, what remains uncertain? Color is defined by wavelength, hue, saturation, and brightness. These physical attributes are translated by the visual system into perceptual attributes like red, blue, bright, muted. The treatment of color in psychology often emphasizes three basic attributes: hue, type of color, saturation, intensity, and value/brightness, lightness versus darkness. When light of a given wavelength strikes the retina, photoreceptors and subsequent neurons relay signals through the visual pathway to cortical and subcortical regions. Studies show that certain colors may trigger responses in the hypothalamus and autonomic system, influencing mood, hormone levels, and arousal. Some theories suggest color-emotion associations are rooted in evolutionary biology, e.g., red may signal blood, danger, or ripe fruit. Blue may signal sky or water, safe and open. Nevertheless, cultural and individual differences overlay these base tendencies. Large-scale surveys indicate systematic correspondences between colors and affective dimensions. Light colors tend to correlate with positive effect, dark colors with negative effect. Red associates with high arousal emotions, both positive and negative. Yellow and orange with positive, high arousal. Blue, green, turquoise, white with positive, low arousal. Gray and black with negative valence. The same hue in different saturation/brightness may evoke very different responses. For example, bright saturated red often activates stronger physiological arousal than a dusty red. Also, context matters. Cultural meaning: white equals purity in West, mourning in parts of Asia. Individual experience, lighting conditions, all moderate effects. Research suggests color influences cognitive performance. For instance, red may enhance accuracy in detail-oriented tasks via heightened attention, but may impair creative tasks by narrowing focus. Green may enhance creativity. Some colors increase heart rate, blood pressure, or galvanic skin response. For example, red has been associated with increased physiological activation.